Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you on how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. So if you want to have a rest from social media, just do this. So open your Facebook application and then click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. This one, okay? And then scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then after that, click on privacy shortcuts. Okay, and then scroll down until you see your Facebook information. So click on delete your account and information. Then here, tap on deactivate account and then tap on continue to account deactivation. Okay, just click on continue. And then you will be asked to type out your password and then click on continue again. Then tap on this is temporary, I'll be back from the list of the options and then click on continue. Okay, then scroll down and then choose a day that you want to deactivate your account. You can choose don't reactivate automatically. So click on continue and then scroll down and finally hit the deactivate my account option. So that's it. That's how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.